Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. We're on Mayhem. Race number 2. This is our 600 race. We are out on the grid already. It's just mayhem. So we're gonna flip this around and walk through the grid, see some people. We got Ridiculous up on first, M4 Suzuki. We just got a great grid. So let's flip this around and let's start taking our tour. We have our 2-minute call, so we don't have much time. We got Bobby Fong on the M4 Suzuki. And of course, the Ridiculous Hayden Gillum. And we've got Bryce Prince on the Tuned Racing with Mike Pond. And of course, we saw our Jason Aguilar with the Rider's Law. And then back, we're hitting a little bit more on the privateer people back here. Oh, well, we've got to say hello to Caroline Olsen. One of the only female on the grid. Our other Rider's Law riders. So, big grid today. Guys, the grid today, we have 28 people on the grid. So, a humongous grid. Missing somebody right here. I'm not sure who's supposed to be there. But we've got just a humongous grid today for the 600 races. Barden's back there snapping some pictures. But we're gonna head back up here towards the front of the grid because we've got, we're gonna kind of be a company of Josh Hayes. So I'm a big fan of Josh Hayes. As you guys know, Josh Hayes retired 2 years ago, and this year has decided to basically become a privateer and basically just do his own thing. So Josh Hayes is out here, and he is,
Yo, Cali Track
Danny,
right
see
here,
Danny's,
guys. Right
Danny,
here.
Danny. So we've got Josh Hayes here. And of course, what's great about this is Tony and Corey, they're with Cali Track Days, Melissa Paris, Josh Hayes. Just amazing that they've been able to come out and basically make this happen. So big fan of Josh Hayes. I mean, I've watched him for years and years and years. So it's amazing to be able to basically be not only this close, but just to be able to have such a great, experience here in the grid with all of these guys. As he cleans his face shield. Love right there.
That's not word fuck, that's it.
So, and we've got Toon Racing trying to get their photo op. Mike, you need a bigger flag. So, Kate here. Kate's Bogna's good friend, so.
There you go.
All right. Richie Escalante gonna kill it today. He's just moved his way up. Just continuous. And of course, the Rick School, Hayden Gillum, taking the pack today, taking it. And Bobby Fong's gonna kill it in second. Great start. Just getting in the zone. Motorcycle.com. Someday we'll get a camera like that, but so Amazing, amazing experience, guys. I'm so glad I can bring you guys. I hope you guys can just understand how excited I am to be here. Josh and the crew and Melissa.
It's all about the brand.
Yeah, right. The gram, we got to get the gram. It's all about the gram. So, just a great, so the experience is just, it's just amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. It's becoming almost, I'm almost speechless just to be able to be here, just to be able to, MotoAmerica, thank you for letting the little guy, Cali Moto TV, just a little YouTube channel, be out here. We're growing though, we're growing. If you guys hit that subscribe button, it makes a big difference, but it's so huge. But again, here just supporting the local guys, Bryce Prince, he's ridden out with us, Mike Pond, they know us, say what's up. The Tune Racing's just awesome. What's up, Kate? So, just what an experience. I hope you guys get it. Let's say hi to Aguilar.
Alrighty. So, last time, full weekend, and Garrett, that's going to taste and feel good. Here we go.
I mean, look at this, guys. Just being able to be here this close to Riders Law.
Hey, Elliott! And Cameron Bogey!
So we're, of course, doing the trophies and whatnot and the trophy ceremony. But then we've got people like just being able to come over and catch a great walking into the paddock to say hello to one of his great teammates and good friends. JD Beach, Hayden Gillum. JD Beach is going to tell him what's up. Hannah. Wait, is that motorcycle.com?
Taking pictures of you, video.
Yeah, they got videos of me, taking videos of them, taking pictures of us, taking pictures of our good friends, motorcycle.com. But just, I don't know what else to say, guys.
Second American, Jason Fredmore,
This is
commentator for MotoAmerica, was the first ever American to podium in World Supersport.
Amazing to be able to, I mean, some of these guys, I've been watching racing for years and years, and to be able to be here on grid with teams like Tune Racing and, you know, Josh Hayes right here, Richie Escalante, Hayden Gillum and the Rick School. I mean, this is just the whole experience is just blowing me away. So, again, I can't thank MotoAmerica enough for letting the little guys come out here and get in people's way. But,
it's been a slugfest, you know, him going back and forth on some stuff. PJ, like you said, is great. Richie Escalante, I'd like to see that guy as well.
Well, he did really good a couple years ago on Stock 1000. Him and Joe Roberts were battling out, because everyone knows Joe Roberts. But it was announced, you know, Joe, our little American athlete, you know, on the road days, and Escalante was able to run up there with him, but we definitely know that, you know, all these riders have so much potential. There's just so much that goes into it, so many factors that affect a rider. You know, your setup on the bike, your tires, the conditions. You know, the weather is amazing right now. You can't factor that in, but
all right, guys, so we are going to be starting the 600 race. Let's flip this around. They're getting ready to roll. And away they go. All right, guys, so we're going to wrap this up right now, but thank you guys for watching again. I hope you guys stuck around this far. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. But the mayhem is over for now. We're gonna watch this race with the Paris and the Hayes family. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. And of course, as always, leave us a comment down below. We'll see you next video.
Bye bye.